How to add tags to your products in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be one of the basic stuff that we can actually do with Shopify, which is be able to add tags to our Shopify products. And I will show you step by step how to do so. It is actually very simple and easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So you will need to obviously just log into your Shopify admin, and then from here you would want to navigate to your products section here. Now you may or may not have products, which either way is fine. But if you do, you can just go ahead and use it on pre-existing products that you already have. I will get to adding a new product in a sec, but for the time being, if you have a pre-existing product that you want to add tags to, you basically just want to click on it, we can just now start editing everything in this product page. But what we need to do is just go ahead and scroll down until we find on the right panel here the tags section. Under the tags section, you can just feel free to create the new tags for your products here. So we can just go ahead and click on here and we add the tags that we want. So for example, let me just go ahead and do clothing, for example. Sorry about that, clothing. And then in order to actually enter it, you would want to click on enter. And now we have this tag applied to our product, and we can just add as many as we want. So let's just do, for example, red. Let's just do colors as well. And yes, we have 3 different tags now, and I'm just going to leave it as that, but you can also add more. And once you're happy with this, we can just go ahead and click on save on the top of our screen. And now we should have these 3 tags in our product. Now, what if you actually want to create a new product and right away have tags for them? It is also very simple. It's almost the same. You just want to add your product here. Make sure you want to add your title. So just test title, add your media and everything, and then just scroll down. And again, you would want to add your tags, which is exactly the same thing. So we can actually just go ahead and do the same ones here, red. And if you did actually create tags before, you can actually go ahead and see them instead of creating them. So we can actually go ahead and select this red one, and then we can just go for clothing, which you will find right away. And also you can also select the colors one, and yeah, we can actually just go ahead and add as many tags as we want, and we can always just create new ones. So for example, purple, and now it says add purple because now it is actually creating it for the first time. So just go ahead, create your product, add your tags, and then you just go ahead and click on save, and you are pretty much good to go. One way that I like to use tags for is when it comes to, if you just go back to products here, the collections. You can actually go ahead and set up rules for collections with tags. So basically, whichever product does have a specific tag, is going to be added automatically to a collection, which is actually a great way to use it. But yeah, there are many different uses for tags as well. But anyways, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.